Hi, it's Lori at Shining Light Farm, and today we're making beehive frames. Yeehaw fun. Not really. It's been very hard. But anyway, so to make the frames, I'm just going to show you really quick how it happens. Why are you looking at me that way? Stop. Alright, first you need a top bar. This is a wedge top bar. It has a wedge on it that you actually pull off, and this is what holds the foundation in. We'll do another video for foundation. Then this is the bottom bar. This is a divided bottom bar that we're using. And these are the end bars. So we're just going to put them together. All we do is we take some glue, we stick it in the wood, and we mount it here. Then we get some more glue, put it in the end, mount it here, and we put glue in the top like this. Now actually the glue is really important. It helps hold it all together, actually more so than the nails do. Now on our bottom bar, if you look, there's a divided piece in here, hence why it's called the divided bottom bar. But one side of the corner is actually deeper than the other because of the way the saw works. So you want to make sure that you have the deep cut side towards your top bar when you put it in. And then we're going to...
And where's your top bar?
Top bar's on the bottom right this minute.
On the bottom.
And you notice the top bar because it has the ears. The ears is what actually lets it sit into the hive frame box. So then we're going to take a nail. You need to nail the bottom bar to the ends. Flip it around. We're going to nail the bottom to the ends. And why they call them ends and not the side, I'm not sure, but that's what they're called. Ugh. And they can be a pain to nail. Then we flip it over. Now when we flip it over and we nail the top bar to the ends, we want to put 2 nails on this one. We only did 1 on the bottom, but we're going to do 2 on the top. You know you have a zoom button, right?
No.
You do. So we have 2. You're probably making people dizzy.
Blair, which project?
And we're going to do 2 on this side. These nails are 1 1/4 inch finishing nails that we're using. Now, when you have your frame in your hive box, the bees actually take propolis and they stick it into the frame. So a lot of times you literally have to pry the frame up out of the box. So because you have to do that, they really recommend that you put a nail on the inside here on either end, so when you're prying, your frame doesn't come apart. The important thing is when you're using a wedge top bar like we are here, you cannot nail into the wedge because we're going to be removing this to add our foundation later. So we're actually going to put our top piece on the solid side, and this piece is really quite a pain to do because you want to kind of get it diagonal and you nail it in.
You found that the best way to brace this is actually on your knee, which is counterintuitive.
And then we're going to nail this side in. Alright, and there's our frame. We're going to let this dry completely, and then the next video we do on beehives will be putting the foundation in the frame. See ya! You haven't stopped it yet.
I can't turn the damn thing off.
The red light's still on. Are you hitting the red button?
Yes, I'm hitting the red button. I hate electronics.